today in a moment where cryptocurrency is generally looking a little bit weaker, specifically the altcoins. Bitcoin's actually holding up pretty well, but today we're actually seeing Shiba Inu at the top gaining position in the top three for the last 24 hours, and that is because Shiba Inu is extremely oversold right now, which has presented a beautiful buying opportunity for anybody that's been looking to DCA into SHIB before a big bull market. And a lot of folks, myself included, believe that there is going to be a very big move at some point for cryptocurrency in 2025. We have been getting held back because of the Fed policies that have been coming into place, and we're stuck in quantitative easing, which, yes, believe it or not, quantitative tightening is what we're stuck in. But yes, believe it or not, quantitative tightening and quantitative easing and the Fed's policies do affect a meme coin like Shiba Inu. In fact, they affect the entire altcoin market, it turns out. I want to talk about why Shiba Inu is coming up today, and I want to also talk about why there is a chance that Shiba Inu could potentially find a little bit more downside before heading higher, which is why, DCAing is a beautiful strategy, which is why you dollar cost average in over time. If the price comes lower, you can accumulate more on those dips if you're trying to accumulate more Shiba Inu before this bull market because you believe it's going to go a lot higher. And I do believe it's going to go a lot higher personally. I think that at this point, Shiba Inu could 10x in this bull market easily. And I'm looking forward to seeing something like this play out in the months ahead. So let's get into this video, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check it out. Shiba Inu is, like I said, one of the top movers today. That being said, it's only up 5%, which isn't anything that spectacular in the crypto space. In fact, it's still down 13% over the last 7 days. If you take a peek at the Shiba Inu chart, you'll see that just back in March of 2024, feels like forever ago, we are currently 66% down from that. And I do know that there were a lot of folks that were buying Shiba Inu on its way up, thinking it was going to revisit this previous highs very quickly. It hit resistance. It came back down. It had a nice little pump here. In December, I know some buyers came back. Some retail came back. And we hit resistance here. My next target is to see us get a breakout above this zone right here, guys. I want to see us get a breakout above that zone right there. And if we can do that, Shiba Inu can start reapproaching these previous levels. But in the meantime, is there a chance that Shiba Inu comes lower? Well, there is. There is a little bit of a chance of that. When we've seen these little wicks to the downside before, it's been followed generally by a little bit more downside. This one came back up, and here we are. Boom. Now, good thing is this wick is a little bit higher than this, so perhaps this is a higher low, and we can keep that higher low, which makes me feel pretty optimistic. I was looking at this kind of some kind of pattern like this where I was seeing this sort of wedge forming for Shiba Inu. If this wedge is true in any capacity, then this could be a very good potential bottom for Shiba Inu. What I love about this giant wicked candle for the bulls out there and the people looking for some upside is the fact that this candle has such a long tail and it was very red but ended green. That is a good sign that that oversold moment was bought back up. I also want to go over to the Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin chart. And while there is a chance that Shiba Inu could come lower, I do right now feel like it should come back up. I do feel good because Bitcoin dominance is definitely way higher than it, people want it to be right now. I think at some point it is going to retrace the other way. But Shiba Inu right now, this daily candle as well over here that brought us down to the bottom of this range versus Shiba Inu's Bitcoin valuation. That was a giant red candle that got gobbled up again in that oversold moment, and this candle ended green. there is a chance, guys, that this signals, boom, a bottom, because we've tested to the bottom of this range that we've been at before for SHIB. Everybody in the altcoin space knows that altcoins feel very oversold right now. They are very oversold. You got to be aware that there is more potential downside. There's risk because we could come back down to this $3 trillion level. We already had a wick to 2.8. Maybe we come a little lower. Maybe we retest off our March highs. We're going to have to see for the total market cap, maybe retesting off the March highs. What's crazy is when you think about it, the total market cap right now is higher than it was in March of 2024. But Shiba Inu is actually lower right now than it was in March of 2024. That tells me that Shiba Inu is at an incredible discount right now. It tells me that altcoin season has not yet occurred. I am bullish on Shiba Inu. I am bullish on a lot of the large cap memes that have been around for a while, like Doge, Shiba Inu, and Pepe has certainly been one that has established some credibility. We've done a lot of content on all these videos. I know that these are tough moments. If you're tired of just holding and you're scared to buy right now, you could trade a little bit if you wanted to. But if you were buying up here, and you think, and you were buying over here and it's down here now, but you think Shiba Inu is going higher and you want more Shiba Inu, well, then this is historically a good accumulation zone. I've got my altcoin portfolio set. Right now, I'm accumulating quite a bit of Bitcoin. I've got my altcoin holdings ready to go. I've been accumulating for a very long time on my alts, and so I've been even DCAing down on the dips on my favorite altcoins. Everything's been dipping over the last few months, just kind of like this. And I've just been DCAing. So I'm getting ready for a big bull market. I'm excited for the day where Shiba Inu goes back up. But again, in the meantime, if you want to start trading on your own, taking advantage of the volatility in this space, whether it's to the upside or the downside, you could sign up for Blowfin. And what's really cool is Blowfin actually set us up with this little landing page, Crypto Report Spinner Game. It's a cool little game where you guys have a chance to go and win 0.1 Bitcoin. Maybe you don't win. Maybe you get a $2 futures bonus. Maybe you get 10,000 Pepe, 2 Dogecoin, 30,000 Shiba Inu. You could spin this wheel, which is really cool, and maybe earn something. If you deposit $100, you get $10 in Pepe for free. That is limited to the first 100 users. This is going to be a thing for 12 days, 14 hours. I think that Shiba Inu is a fun one to trade. They do have it over on Blowfin if you want to check it out, guys. That is all I have for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. DCA, Hono, my friends. Do your own research, please. Nothing I say in these videos is financial advice. I'm going to keep the content coming for you guys because I believe we're going to have a great bull market. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. Peace, guys.